bit of rocks there. It's not dangerous, it can crack the windshield. Here, you should film here when you have the chances. Unbelievable. But with these trees, you can't. Here, you know. To the right side. Trucks here, you see? Film on this one so you can see what twisty roads we have on this one. The phone, baby. Film the phone. Oh, you can't see? Yeah, but anyway, it's a twisty road. It's crazy. A lot of turns, a lot of twists, a lot of noise.
No, I mean same road.
Twisty road. Like
even
this.
more and smaller.
Smaller, like narrower.
Yes, narrow.
Yeah, look at this. Look at that. The clouds in there. Now in there. Clouds. Look at this. At the top there. It's crazy. Look, wow, huh?
Yeah.
Unbelievable, right? Great. Huh? Wow. Great, huh? What?
The windshield.
Here there's no petrol station to wash it. Clean it. Bullet. Wow! Wow! Did you see that waterfall there? Huh? Look at the waterfall there. Where do you film? This is the waterfall. See?
So many bikers.
Yeah, but let's drive there somewhere so you can see the waterfall. We stop here to make a short stop. Look at the waterfall, it's crazy.